YouTube fam. Y'all know what it is, man. In Atlanta, about to get up out of here. About to go start my truck, let it, warm up for a little bit. It's a little colder than most, or usual, I should say. And we're about to get on the road to our first drop. All right, y'all, we out here. We at the first stop. Atlanta, y'all. Feel real good out here, boy. I know Florida, it very rarely gets this damn cold. It's a nice little switch up. See my baby out there. About to get off in here and get checked in, get my door, and then we're gonna get offloaded. Jump on this load board when I get up out of here and all right, y'all, we out here, North Carolina. About to get off in here and see if they ready. Alright, y'all, we got up out of there. I got another load booked. We're going up to 60 miles north. We're going to Greensboro. Pick up 10 pallets, and that's dropping off in Orlando tomorrow. I'm about 35 minutes out from Greensboro now. And about to get up here, pick these pallets up, and then we're gonna head back down to south. And just trying to keep it moving, man. Trying to stay busy, man. Tap in when we get up here. Ain't no traffic, so that's good. Hopefully on the way back down south it'll be the same. I'll tap in a few, man. Don't forget, y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. Vote your boy. All right, y'all, we out here, man. Greensboro, North Carolina. We working, y'all. Supposed to be getting a pickup. I don't see anybody here. That's not good. I don't know if I had to go around to the front. I don't see why I would go to the front when all the doors and shit is back here, the docks. All right, y'all. Figured out where I was. They got two loading areas. The area I went to, they don't do it over there no more. They got a backside where they do it at. So I just gotta loop around real quick. We're gonna get loaded up. We're grinding, y'all. Cold as hell too, but I ain't used to this shit. Fuck it. Your boy. skids. Coming. All right, y'all. Yeah. I even pushed it to the limit, boy, like Rick Ross, nigga. Pushed that thing to the limit. I was all out of time, but I rode a good 2 hours after, man. I say, you know what? God blessed me this far. Let me pull my black ass over before DOT get on my ass. So we good now. Got my time in, plus more. Out here in damn, what the fuck city is this? I'm in Columbia, South Carolina. So if anybody out there, shout out to y'all. Shit nice out here. I'm in Columbia, South Carolina. And got about 5.5 hours tomorrow. Try to get some rest. I'll probably get up by 5:30, no later than 6, and try to jump out there, so I can get to Orlando about 12. At the end of the day, that's the goal. I'm trying to get to Orlando tomorrow by 12, because when I get to Orlando, I'm only 2.5 hours from the crib. So, damn, I left a fucking mask. I gotta go back to the truck. Yeah, I'm only 2.5 from Orlando, so that'll give me time. Maybe I could book another load or fuck around and do some Amazon back down to the crib. But I'm definitely, after I drop this shit off in Orlando, definitely going to try to catch another load. I ain't going to just say fuck it and ride back home, even though I'm right there. I'm going to try to grab another load anyway. But that's what we got going on, man. Tapping in with my people, tired as hell. Been a long day. I feel like I literally been driving all day. So, fuck with your boy, man. Appreciate y'all fucking with me and supporting the channel, man. Y'all have a good night, man. Tomorrow morning we back at it again. I'm gonna tap in that first thing in the morning. You already know it.